Hey, what's up everyone? This video is a quick overview or tutorial on how to use the resource dictionary.com. This resource is good if you ever have questions about which vowel sound to use in a specific word, or you're not sure exactly which syllable should be stressed in any word. So you can easily come here to this website and let's just type in any word. Let's just start with table, and we're going to see that we get here, this is the phonetic spelling, and you can see that the stressed syllable here in the phonetic spelling is always going to be bolded. And then if you click on IPA, you'll see that there is an apostrophe here before the stressed syllable each time. And if you want to hear the sound, obviously you can click
Table.
table, and they'll give you the pronunciation there. For example, if it is a longer word that has more than one stressed syllable, let's just take the word pronunciation. You can load it up, and again, you can see that the primary stress here is going to be in bold. But you see we have one, two, three, four, five syllables. So obviously we're going to have a secondary stress somewhere in here. And this is where the IPA is going to be our friend. So if we click on IPA, we can see again this apostrophe here that's before the A, the primary stress. And then we can see down here is the comma, which comes before the secondary stress, right? So we have two stressed syllables and three unstressed syllables, right? Pronunciation, like that. And as again, you can also click
Pronunciation.
right to hear the sound being pronounced or the word being pronounced to help tune your ear. So this is a good resource that you can use to check those things if you're ever not sure, and then you can have a more effective practice. So now that you know this, you just boosted up your English.